Hello. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever needed to update your contact details on Zoho, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to change your email on Zoho Invoice. Maybe you've created a new email address, or maybe you simply want to switch from an old one to keep your account up to date. Whatever the reason, the process is quick, straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can get it done without any confusion. First, start by logging into your Zoho account. Go to Zoho's website and enter your login credentials as usual. If for some reason you've forgotten your password, don't panic. You can always use the Forgot Password option to reset it and gain access again. Once you're logged in successfully, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon, click on it, and a small drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that menu, choose the option labeled My Account. This will take you to your account management section, which is where all of your personal details and important settings are stored. It's a good place to get familiar with, since you can manage much more than just your email here. Inside this section, look for the Email Address option. When you click on it, you'll see your current email listed along with the settings that allow you to modify or add new addresses. To make a change, click on Add Email Address. A new field will appear, prompting you to type in your updated email. Carefully enter the new address and take a moment to double-check for typos. It's a simple step that saves you trouble later. After entering the new email, click the Add button to continue. Zoho will usually send a confirmation email to the address you just added. Open your inbox, find the verification message, and confirm the update. This step ensures that your new email is valid and ready to use for account notifications. Once your new email has been confirmed, you can return to your settings and remove the old email if you no longer plan to use it. This helps keep things organized and prevents any confusion about which address Zoho should send updates and invoices to. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email on Zoho Invoice. It's a small task, but keeping your contact information current is really important for smooth communication and account management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech tutorials and Zoho tips.